This is an Amber Alert notification of a child abduction. The Salt Lake City PD is asking for the public's help. The suspect is identified as Ariana Williams. She is 5 feet, 3 inches tall, weighing 140 pounds. She has brown hair and brown eyes. The child abduction victim is identified by police as Analysia Williams. She is 11 years old and was wearing a green Mickey M0 used t-shirt and red pajama pants. She has brown hair and brown eyes. She is 5 feet, 4 inches tall and weighs about 90 pounds. The abduction happened at 456 N 1100 W. If you have any information, please call police at 801-799-3000 or simply dial 911.